Here I have ZTE Blade A7s, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to enter Accounts section, then tap Add Account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, then tap Next. Next you have to enter your password, tap Next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and at last what you have to do is to tap Accept here, and the account will be added on your device. If you want to delete account, just select it here and then tap Remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.